Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez, Mamasagari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin yung sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of February 17 hanggang February 23 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kaya kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a reading lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-iisip hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik digdig na gumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice, and ating angel spirit for the sign of Taurus. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, ito na. Ito ngayon at bubulabugin natin. Angel Spirit, let's give me the information po. Okay, there's something, the Full card, a leap of faith, no? Meron ditong bagong simula, no? At sinusubukan din ang paniniwala at pananampalataya mo. There's something, progress, no? May mga pagbabago na mangyayari sa'yo, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti na siyang nagkakaroon ng mga changes. What is additional message? Because there's something, the Eight of Swords. Now, there's a lot of negativities around you. No? There's a lot of toxicities around you. Just be aware, guys. No? Para sa madaling salita dito, kumbaga, maging mahinahon at maging kalmado sa pagtitiwala ng mga tao na sa paligid mo. No? There is something toxicities. No? Meron dyan, kumbaga, feeling victim. Meron dyan, kumbaga, nagbibida-bidahan. So, just be aware, guys. So, let's see what is the additional messages. And because this is something, the Nine of Pentacles, and this is something of blossoming abundance, no? May paglago at may paglakas ng finances. And because this is something, the Three of Wands. Now, there's a waiting for a ship, na may mga bagay na hihintay ka. There's a possible na dumating na. There's something, document, papers, na maaaring magdala sa'yo ng something in your beginning, no? What is additional messages? And there's something, the Moon card. Now, there's a truth reveal. Now, malalantad, malalaman mo na lahat ng mga bagay na nakatago, unti-unti mo na mauunawaan lahat ng mga bagay na nasa paligid mo. No? May mga bagay na pag-iingatan mo. No? May, kumbaga, meron dito sa paligid mo na magiging aggressive. Kaya maging aware ka, no? Kumbaga, magiging sila kumbaga, greedy na makuha yung position mo o yung isang bagay na yon, kaya mag-iingat ka. No? What is additional messages? With an angel spirit. And there's something, the Queen of Wands. Confident. Lakas mo loob mo, tapangan mo. Kumbaga, kailangan wag kang magkaroon ng pangamba, basta magpatuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo. No? May mga taong i-distract ka, may mga, it's either sa trabaho to talaga. No? Or kumbaga sa mga kapitbahay mo. No, maraming kakompetensya. What is the Full card? The Full card represent with the Four of Pentacles for saving money, no? Protect your power, protect your energy, protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo dito. Huwag ka basta-basta nagtitiwala. May mga taong lalapit sa'yo para hiraman ka, mag-iingat ka, no? What is the Eight of Swords? No? Kasi hindi ka niya babayaran, mag-ingat ka. And this is something, the Knight of Swords. So this is, the Four of Swords, sorry. There's a Four of Swords by your intuitions, no? Kumbaga, mas tatalas tong pakiramdam mo. Makinig ka sa inner voice mo. No, there's something divine intervention na may mga paalala sa'yo ng ating divine na you need to pay attention. Kailangan mag-iingat ka. What is the Nine of Pentacles? Represent what? Represent with a Justice card. No, hustisya. No, there's something na papabor sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka for these consequences. No, may mga bagay dito na parang magiging ka dito mapusok dahil din sa mga offer or dahil din sa kagustuhan mo na lumakas at lumago tong mag-iingat ka kasi meron ditong kumbaga negative offer. Just be aware, guys. So let's see what is the Three of Wands. The Three of Wands represent with the Three of Pentacles for collaborations, no? Communicate clearly. na kailangan makipag-usap ka na maayos, ayusin mo yung, kumbaga, informasyon na yan, mamaya, kumbaga, matatalihaga lang yung mga sinasabi sa iyo, but definitely, guys, walang laman. Na mag-iingat ka. What is the Moon card? The Moon card represent with a Three of Swords. So, this is something pain. No? Heartbroken, betrayal. Na malalaman mo, malalantad dito kasi may mga negative intentions sa'yo. No? May mga taong tuso, may mga taong inggitera, may mga taong ambisyosa, na parang makikilala mo at kumbaga malalaman mo itong tao na to mapanlin lang, gano'n, impostor. What is the Queen of Wands? The Queen of Wands represents the Star card, a miracle and hope. Huwag ka mag-alala, may pag-asa pa na makaalis ka dyan sa situation na yan. Na may pag-asa, basta lakasan mo ang loob mo, maging matapang ka. There's something recovery from your situation. What is the Fool card? Because the Four of Pentacles represents with the Seven of Pentacles for harvest moment, no? Kumaga, protection at pangalagaan mo yung grounds mo, even your territory, even your finances, dahil lahat ng mga bagay na paghihirap at pinaghirapan mo, aanihin mo yun at the end of the time. The hard work is paying off, or there's something a fruit of labor. Dahil ito rin kabayaran sa mga paghihirap, sakripisyo. Let's see what is the Eight of Swords because the Four of Swords. The Eight of Swords because the Four of Swords represent with the Wheel of Fortune. Now, there's something turning back to your favor. Na may pag-ikot ng kapalaran, maaaring pumabor sa iyong sitwasyon. Huwag kang mag-alala na parang there's something law of karma na maaaring bumalik sa kanila at mga bagay na ginagawa nila. What goes around comes around. Just be aware, guys, no? Kasi may mga bagay dito na maaaring kumbaga, ma-trigger ka na gumawa ng hindi maganda. Kaya mag-iingat ka. What is the Nine of Pentacles? It was the Justice card. Referencing with the Eight of Wands. So this is something of past communication and past movement. And there's a lot of messages and phone call, transactions, customers now coming in for you. And of course, this is something trouble. Now may trouble ka rin dito. There's something financial windfall at may maaaring karmahin ka in a good way. No, there's something a good matter. Talagang mag-iingat ka lang with your actions. What is the Three of Wands? Because the Three of Pentacles represent with the Page of Pentacles for investment, no? Invest wisely, just be aware, for socialize, for communication, no? Mag-iingat lang po, no? Kasi may itong bagay na to, ito yung hinihintay mo at maaaring matamo mo kung ano man yung mga bagay na pinapangarap mo. What is the Moon card? Because the Three of Swords represent with the Two of Cups, with the partnerships, no? Mag-iingat ka sa mga taong pakikisamahan mo, sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo, dahil mayroong maglilingkis at mukhang tutuklaw sa'yo. What is the Queen of Wands? The Star card represent what? No, para bago pa mangyari to, malalaman mo na. No, kumbaga matutuklasan mo na. And this is something, the Five of Swords. Magkakaroon ng self-sabotage because of your actions. No, dahil kumbaga naging panatag ka, dahil akala mo same kayo ng vibe, same kayo ng mindset, but definitely, guys, inggitera. What is the outcome? What is the outcome? Represent what? Represent with Six of Wands. For there is something a victory is yours. Talaga magiging matagumpay ka at magtatagumpay ka. And there's a Two of Wands by choices. Piliin mo yung mga taong there's a Knight of Wands. Sorry. There's a Knight of Wands for something resilience. Na magtiyaga ka lang. Basta piliin mo lang yung mga taong ilalaban mo. No? Kasi meron dito pinagtanggol mo siya pala yung tutuklaw sa'yo. What is the nature of messages for finances and career? For finances and career, represent what? Represent with the Ease of Wands. A new project, new home, new opportunities, and new business ventures, no? What is the nature of messages? And there's a Devil card. Ito yung sinasabi ko with the Devil card, na may gumagawa ng pampamahala sa iyong negosyo, hanap buhay. Kaya ang bagal ng progress, no? Kaya mabagal yung pasok ng eksena sa iyo. Pag nandiyan yung yung pera or kumbaga yung pasok na magandang eksena, biglang babagal. Why? Kasi may nagpapabagal. 'Di ba? May gumagawa ng eksena para maputulang ka ng eksena. Let's see what is the additional messages. And there's a Knight of Cups. There's a lot of offer coming in for you. Mag-iingat ka. There's something messenger. Now, there's an owl. Now, binibigyan ka ng, kumbaga, paalala, babala na hindi lahat ng offer tinatanggap. Now, let's see what is additional messages. Even your proposal. Now, even your promotion. Now, hinahadlangan. What is additional messages? And this is something the Page of Wands. A good news coming in for you. At itong magandang balita to, maaaring magulantang ka. Na maaaring itong balita na to, maaaring kumbaga mabigla ka or mashock ka. Oh my God, this is it ba? Oh my goodness. Ganon. What is additional messages for love life and career? For love life, no? For love life, there is a Page of Swords. Get more information. Now, kilalanin mo. Mabuti itong jowa mo. Now, there is a Three of Cups with the third parties. Now, maaaring if you are being single, now, nagkakaroon ka na something dating, mag-iingat ka kasi maaaring there's a third wheel. Now, meron siyang third party o may asawa siya. What is additional messages with an English spirit? For health, there's a 2 by choices. Piliin mo lang yung mga taong pagkakatiwala mo dahil nai-stress ka nag-overthink ka. And there's a magician for manifestation. No? Kumbaga, you can create this situation and you have the power to change your life from the fullest, no? Kumbaga, kaya mo mabago yung eksena mo Pero bakit ka nagbubulag-bulagan sa isang sitwasyon? Yun yung nagbibigay stress sa'yo at yun yung nagbibigay depression sa'yo and overthinking. Dahil nag-i-stick ka sa isang situation na alam mong walang kasiguraduhan, walang label. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit for yin and yang oracle card. For yun and yung oracle card, there's something fulfillment, a wish is coming true. Na may mga bagay na matutupad na, and there's something taking action. So may mga pagbabago, may mga kaganapan sa buhay mo na unti-unti na talagang magtatagumpay, and this is something the receive. Unti-unti mong matatanggap yung mga bagay-bagay at bukas ang palad mo para tanggapin ito. So let's see what is the magical fairy messages represent what? For a magical fairy messages, represent a patient please. So, kailangan mong habaan ang pasensya mo dito, guys, no? And there's a be assertiveness, no? Kailangan maging assertive ka. Or kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo yung grounds mo. Stand up of your beliefs, no? And say yes if you wanted to. No? Kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo yung tama't mali. Alam mo yung sarili mo yung ilalaban mo. Kailangan mo habaan yung pasensya mo na may mga bagay na hindi mo pa nakukuha sa ngayon. Kailangan mong maghintay. And there's a holiday, no? This holiday, masasagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. So, let's see what is the synchronicities. A synchronicities represent what? I represent with the world, no? Ang mundong ginagalawan mo, talagang babaguhin ito ang ikot ng kapalaran mo. And there's a sister. Na meron ditong sister na maaaring nagbibigay mensahe sa'yo. No? Additional messages nga. And there's something, a bravery. Kailangan mo maging matapang, palaban. No? Hindi pwedeng duwag ka. Hindi ka pwedeng may pag-aalinlangan. Kailangan laban na laban. Ganon. What is the romance angels for a mystic love oracle deck? For a mystic love oracle deck, represent what? Represent with afraid, fear. No, may mga takot at pangamba ka dito talaga na nagsisink in sa sarili mo. Kailangan mong alisin yan, no? And there's something, a ghosted, no? Meron ditong ghosted with disappearing. Parang meron ako na sense dito na parang parang gino-ghosted ka or gino-ghosting ka nitong tao na to. Parang parang pinapaasa ka. Or some of you nag-meet kayo pero iniwan ka niya sa ere. Parang hindi, kumaga naghintay ka dun pero hindi ka sinupot. May ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's something, keeping secrets, lies. No? Dahil may tinatago tong tao na to. Alam mo, guys, may nafe-feel ako may asawa tong tao na to. Nagpapanggap to na free siya or walang asawa. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. For chakra messages. For chakra, there's a workaholic, no? Pagdating sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay, talagang, diba, pursigido ka. Talagang nakatutok ka. And there's something creations, no? Talagang binubuo mo, no? Yung mga pangarap mo dito. Or either, there's something creative, no? Maasyado kang maraming ideas. And there's a facade. I told you, maraming mga nagbabalat kayo, impostor. No? Mag-iingat kayo. What is Archangel Michael messages? Represent what? And there's something inner guidance and real and trustworthy, no? Ang mga gabay mo rin daw ay mapagkakatiwalaan naman daw, no? and detach from this situation. Kailangan mo na makawala sa situation. Ibig sabihin na sa isang unhealthy situation ka o unhealthy relationship. What is the initial messages? And there's a lesson. No, mayroon ka daw dito dapat mapulot na aral. No, may mga bagay na kailangan mong pakakatandaan. And there's something gift, no? There's a review. Past life na nangyari na to sa nakaraan mo eh. Parang inuulit mo lang. Parang nagkakaroon second time around. So just be aware guys, no? Kasi parang etong bagay na to dapat natuto ka na pero eto ka pa rin. Marupok ka pa rin. Eto ka pa rin. Parang, kumbaga, umaasa ka sa isang bagay na walang kasiguraduhan. And there's a gardening with a planting, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. And this is something, new waxing wound with the inner self, no? Mas pagyabungin mo yung sarili mo dito. What is additional messages with an angel spirit, guys? And there's a denial. I-acknowledge mo yung fear. Replace mo yun ng awareness. So, hindi sa natatakot ka, nangangamba ka lang na may mga possibilities na baka akala mo mali ka. Which is no. No? Kumbaga tama yung gut feeling mo. Now, there's a certain inner voice na pumapasok sa utak mo, sa isip mo, na kailangan mo, you need to pay attention. And there's something in relationship. Malaking factor sa eksena mo ang relasyon. And this is something freedom. No? Makakalaya ka na sa bangungot ng nakaraan. What is additional messages for Archangel Raphael messages for you? And there's an easy that's it. Stop trying so hard to control this situation. No, wag mo nang kontrolin isang sitwasyon. No, hayaan mo siyang pakawalan. No, unfold it naturally. Let's see what is additional messages. With an angel spirit, guys. And there's something you got the love, boundaries. Diba? Kung mahal ka, mahal ka. Hindi yung ikaw lang yung nagmamahal. And there's something crack open, no? Parang binibigyan ka na ng paalala na buksan mo yung utak mo. Nakita mo yan kung paano niya biyakin yung utak niya na matauhan ka na gano'n. No? Surrender to the alchemy of life. Let's see what is the Monsology. And you are good enough. See, pinabahagi dito na sapat ka na. May mga tao lang talaga na hindi marunong makontento sa isa. So let's see what is additional messages. And there's a time for healing. So ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para hilumin, no? Ang sugat or yung mga kirot at mga pinagdaanan mong sakit. Diba? So let's see what is additional messages. Mukhang pinaikot-ikot at pinaasa-asa ka. Ay, let's see what is the initial messages. And there's something environmentalism. So this is something na kailangan ibalik mo yung sarili mo sa ibang bagay, no? And this is something options, no? There's a lot of choices coming in for you. No, titignan mo lagi yung pagpipilian mo, yung tignan mo yung mga bagay na mas magiging priorities mo. Huwag mo kasing gawing mundo ang isang tao lang. Diba? And there's a heart desire. Kung ano talaga yung gusto ng puso mo, sundin mo. Diba? What is the energy represent what? What is the energy represent what? And there's a strategy. No? Gamitin mo itong strategiya para malaman mo kung ano yung mga pagkakamali mo. No? Paano pumasok sa isang relasyon. No, na magulo. And there's something for Shaka Archangel Raphael for healing. No, may mga paghilom talaga dito. No, unti-unting hihilom. What is the angel's answer represent what? A romance. You see? Malaking factor talaga sa reading mo ang love life. A romance. And there's something unlikely. May mga bagay na hindi mo magugustuhan. No, yung mga bagay na malalaman mo ganun talaga. No, ang realidad. And this is something, there's something better. No? May mas maganda pa, much better pa dun sa tao na yon. No? Keep going, no? Mas mahalin mo yung sarili mo ngayon. No? The more na minamahal mo yung sarili mo, may taong tatanggap. No? At may taong magmamahal sa even your flaws. Diba? Lahat ng mga pangit sa iyo, mamahalin yan, tatanggapin yan. What is the romance angels for a mystic love oracle there? This is a religious factor, a spiritual path. Ibig sabihin dito, naka-line up ka with a karmic relationship. No, talagang maraming komplikasyon pagdating sa pag-ibig. Ganun talaga. And some of you guys, no, nagkaroon na separation that because of this gayuma. No, ginayuma yung person mo o ginayuma ka. No? So, let's see what is a Jesus loving code said. A Jesus loving code said, represent what? I represent wisdom, Blessed are they that hear the word of God and keep it, no? Binibless na yung mga taong naniniwala at nakikinig sa mga salita ng Diyos. Diba? So let's see what is additional messages with an angel's spirit for an angel's number. Angel's number represent what? 2002 without the void. Stop, no? Kumbaga, wag mong kontrolin daw isang bagay na alam mong hindi mo naman kontrolado. Wag ka nag-a-assume na mahal ka nito. Wag ka magpanggap na isang bagay na wala namang, 'di ba, katuturan na wala namang talagang ibig sabihin. May mga pinapakita sa iyo, yung pala, 'di ba? Kumbaga pinapaasa ka lamang. And this is something you have the more control of your life than you realize. Learn and execute what interests you. Turn things around, it get better with time. There are plenty of friends to make so chill out. Have fun. Open up, go outside. See? Kumbaga, libangin mo yung sarili mo. Kumbaga, enjoyin mo yung ano naman yung buhay na meron ka. Na wag ka masyadong mag-stick sa isang bago, isang tao na wala naman talagang plano sa'yo. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages with the messages of life. Represent one. Messages of represent what? The eyes of the heart, no? Parang kumbaga, binubuksan daw ng ating Panginoon yung puso mo para makita mo ang kahulugan at nilalaman ng talagang nanggagaling sa gitna or pinanggagalingan ng puso mo, ganon. Kaya kailangan buksan mo daw yan at para makita mo kung sino talaga yung nagmamahal sa'yo. Mamaya pinipilit mo yung sarili mo sa isang tao na hindi ka naman talaga mahal. Pero may tao na sa paligid mo na nagmamahal sa'yo, pero nagbubulag-bulagang ka lamang. And today, I perceive the real beauty of every person I meet with the eyes of my heart. I see behind the personality and focus on the energy of love. And dwelt beneath the surface, I am filled with a wonderful and the presence of God in every one of us. The eyes of the heart allow me to see the divine shining everywhere. So see, kumbaga marami nagmamahal sa'yo, maraming taong tatanggap sa'yo. Huwag mong ipilit yung isang bagay o isang tao na mahalin ka. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of February 17 hanggang February 23 for the sign of. For the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a journey din namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads away. Pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik, liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo at maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!